reason. What crime have I committed?
Hey!
Get your...
It's TYRANT Hunter.
When I'm telling you what to do, you're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that. Wait, you're being recorded. What's your name and badge number?
Okay, that's fine being recorded.
Name and badge number.
Well, listen, let me tell you why we got called here.
Okay.
This is my scene now. We got called up here because somebody called and said that there was argument going on between husband and wife, and the kids were hiding somewhere and saying, please help me. That's why we got called.
No,
oh my God.
That's why we got called.
Okay, hey.
no, sir.
Name and badge number,
you
sir.
Me all day long.
I'm Deputy Cruz.
Deputy Cruz?
Yeah.
Do you have a badge number?
What you mean? I'm Deputy
I
Cruz.
need your badge number, please.
Listen, brother.
I'm a taxpayer. You're a public servant. You have to give your name and badge number.
Okay.
Call in your supervisor. If you don't believe me, I am a First Amendment.
I'm the supervisor.
Okay, you're the supervisor. Your name is what?
Deputy Little, Montgomery County Sheriff's Office.
Please back up off me. Back up off me.
Hey, come over here with me.
No, sir, you're not going to do this. I have civil rights.
You want to talk to me? You come over here and talk to me.
Okay, you came to me.
All you want to.
No, sir, you came up to
Lower
me.
your voice. Come over here and talk to me.
No, they came up. Okay, I will talk to them. I will not take no directives. I have a First Amendment right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay?
just calm down.
Please don't come at me. You came to my property.
Listen to me. Your mouth is going to get your ass in trouble.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you've been drinking.
Another violation. Go ahead.
You've been damn drinking. And this is my scene. We got called a person. This is my scene.
Is that against the law?
And I'm trying to be respectful to you.
Drinking.
Now you had too much damn alcohol in your system.
Is that, no, you're assuming.
I can smell it.
Yeah, I don't give a damn what you smell. You came to my property. I can do what the hell I want to on my property.
Okay.
That's my First Amendment right.
But I got caught here, so now this is my
Okay,
scene.
yeah, so, all right, now, if I heard that you were sitting on the street corner, would you be in trouble because I heard hearsay?
Okay.
You got caught here on hearsay. No. You got caught here on hearsay.
Listen to me.
Stop.
2 minutes into it.
Listen to him.
Hey, people, listen to me.
Can I
Here
have
we
your
go.
ID? I need your
No, you
ID.
cannot.
All right, well, you're about to go to jail if you don't give me ID.
Oh, really? Here we go, another one. Hey, get ready to bail me out. You hear me? You're gonna buy. You're gonna.
Failure to give
Your
ID.
quality immunity.
One more time.
Your immunity.
ID.
No, qualified immunity will not stand up.
One more time.
I will.
Flip, give him
more
your
time,
ID, man.
May I have your ID?
Flip, just
No,
give him
you
your
cannot.
ID.
All right, you're going to jail. Give me ID.
Okay, under what suspiciable reason?
Because
Give me an
Give
articulate.
Give him your ID.
Give me ID.
Give
me your ID.
Give me a reason. What crime have I committed?
Hey, get your...
What crime has he committed? What crime has he committed?
Listen to me.
No, I'm not gonna
No,
listen.
because that's your problem. Your motherfuckers don't want to listen to me. Now I'm gonna cuss on this camera because y'all always want to record whenever something's going on. Now listen to me.
Okay.
He failed to give me his ID. He didn't want to give me
You
ID.
failed to give your name and badge number.
I gave my name. My name is Deputy Little, Montgomery County Sheriff's Office.
Can I get both of y'all's cards?
Okay.
Are you the daughters?
Yes.
It doesn't matter what I am.
Just trying to figure out.
Yeah, because y'all come up here and yell.
Don't put your hands on me. Don't you put your hands on me.
He wants to show you the text that he got.
This is our call CAD that we have to get when we get calls. Kids hiding under cars yelling, help me, and don't hurt me. Male Ron Cope Jr. is yelling at wife. Caller his neighbor wants to be left anonymous. So we just didn't come out here for the hell of it. I mean, we got a call out here. I asked him for his ID. He failed to give me his ID. And that is a crime.
We were not out here screaming and hollering at each other. We weren't even arguing.
Oh, yeah, one of
The air compressor was running, filling up her tire. We were getting a little loud so we can hear each other.
Yeah.
With that running. That's probably what they heard.
Listen, I hate it went down like that. But I don't like nobody getting in my face yelling at me,
I
screaming at me.
understand that.
Listen, if you want to record me all day long, that is fine. Listen, there ain't no problem with, there ain't a crime in North Carolina for the recording officer. Just as long as you don't get in my face with it. And I asked him for his ID more than 2 times. Asked for his ID.
Yeah.
No.
But if he was he committing a crime?
He don't have to commit a crime. If I ask him for his ID, he has to give it up.
At my house.
He has to.
And I rolled back over here.
And I mean, I ain't being a butt about it. That's the North Carolina law. If an officer asks you for your ID, you have to give it up. If you don't, you can't go to jail. I mean, that's just real deal. I'm just to the point. I've been doing the job going on 5 years.
Okay.
And I've been at 2 other agencies, and that's how we work.
Okay.
So, man, if he asks for your ID, he's got to give it up.
Okay, y'all guys need to be
Digging a hole.
Oh.
You're digging a hole. You're about to go to jail. Listen
sir,
to me.
you are.
Listen to me. I'm trying to get you out of here.
He needs to shut the hell up.
I know what he's going to. Calm down.
I'm going to get out these damn hands.
Calm down.
Calm the fuck down.
Calm down.
You need to stay out there. I'll just leave. If you don't know your rights, you don't have none. Okay. Am I free to go?
Shut your mouth and listen to me.
Direct it. You're going to tell me what to do.
That's it. You're going to tell me. You're under arrest.
All right, bail money. Get me out. I'm taking his ass.
Try to talk to him.
Are they taking you? Yeah.
Because he wouldn't listen.
Because all I want to do is get you information.
I'm not violent, buddy. I'll give you my information, buddy, but I'm going to tell you that I know my constitutional right. By law, I don't have to. I haven't committed a crime. Okay? There is the RAS, reasonable articulate suspicion. Reasonable articulate suspicion. You don't have to provide an ID unless you are under suspicion of about to commit a crime, in the middle of a crime, or have already committed a crime. Okay? Now, you're getting hearsay from a phone call, buddy. Okay? I'm going to tell you right now, that violates all the constitutional rights. First Amendment. There is 5 parts to the First Amendment. Okay? There is the freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of press, like what she's doing, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition. Okay? That means if you do me wrong, I can go through these same channels and have you in all kinds of trouble. You need to know you gave an oath. You gave an oath to uphold the constitutional rights.
Can you let him go now, please?
You got his ID and everything?
Maybe he's going to let me go.
I'm just trying to talk to him. That's all I'm trying to do. About to say, we
Go
didn't
put
come
the
here
girls
for no
back.
controversy.
I know that. I know that. You just came on the call that was hearsay. That was all.
But like
That's
I said,
all that is.
Well,
Hearsay.
listen, I don't mind. I don't like. It ain't nothing against people reporting law enforcement. Hey, it's been done to me plenty of times.
Yes, sir. I know.
don't mind.
Go down there with your baby
Press.
sister.
Yeah, most definitely. But when I ask for
Cowboy,
something ID and they
come.
give it to me, they
Cowboy.
gotta give it to me. Anytime we make contact with somebody,
What code is that?
I don't know the code, but I know
There ain't none.
I know the general statute.
There is none.
There's a general statute.
No, sir, there is not.
I'm not gonna argue
No,
with you.
sir.
I know the law.
Unless you can, if you can prove or have reasonable suspicion that I am committing a crime, in the middle of a crime, or about to commit a crime, or have already committed the crime, then you can ID me. And then I have to give that ID to you. You might want to go back and check your statute, sir. Keep recording this.
Well, this is North Carolina general statute.
Check out North Carolina TYRANT Hunter. He'll come and see you if you don't believe me. Check out North Carolina TYRANT Hunter. He'll come and see you if you don't believe me. And hands-on treated, okay? And this clearly violates my constitutional rights, okay? Now, I will come in and get an informal complaint. They came to my private residence, my home, asked for me, and then demanded ID. I told them if they cannot give me a reasonable, articulable suspicion that I have committed a crime, about to commit a crime, or in the middle of a crime, then I don't have to ID.
Listen to him. Listen, he's trying to talk to you.
Well, no, I am not done talking. I have a freedom of speech by the amendment right. My First Amendment. It's the First Amendment because... Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry, sir. I'll let you talk.
Okay. Once again, I'm going to reiterate that my deputies were dispatched to your residence per dispatch. We'll pull the CAD report, which is our computerized assisted dispatch, and we were dispatched to your residence. Now, herein lies the problem.
So old.
All my deputy asked you to do was identify yourself, correct?
Exactly.
Do you have a problem identifying yourself?
Well, yeah, when they come and pull me out of my route, then ask me dumb questions when they're violating my constitutional rights. I don't have a right to do that. If I don't know my rights, I don't have none. Y'all can't not come here and give me directives on my property all because of a hearsay phone call, sir. Okay? That violates my. You gave an oath to uphold the United States Constitution, to protect and to serve. Know your rights, sir, before you go pointing fingers at people. Okay? I'm with an audit that it's called Cop Watchers, North Carolina Tyrant Hunter, North Carolina Tyrant Hunter. I support these systems.
I'm going to explain to you one more time, D. The sheriff will be in his office at 9 a.m. Monday morning if you file a complaint. But once again, I'm going to reiterate that my deputies, under reasonable suspicion, was dispatched to your residence because of a domestic.
Am I free to go?
That a crime was occurring. Now, that being said, let me just turn this around on you. If a crime was occurring against your person and we were dispatched there, would you...
Was or is?
I'm sorry?
Was or is? There's a difference. No, I don't. No, sir, I do not. I do not have to identify myself. That's why. That's wrong. No, thank, okay. I'm going to disagree with that.
I'm going to go ahead and let this guy go. If he wants to make a formal complaint, he can go ahead and go.
I will come and make a formal complaint. Because, yes, sir. See, I'm not being aggressive. I'm not, I might be intoxicated, so why? I still know my rights.
I mean, like I said, you on your own property. If you want to drink, you can drink.
I saw y'all coming. I went straight in and grabbed my phone, okay? I was not aggressive, no way, shape, or form. Y'all demanded ID. No, you cannot.
All right, you're going to jail. Give me ID.
Okay, under what suspicious reason?
Because
give me an articulate.
Give me your ID. Give me ID.
Give me ID. Give me a reason. What crime have I committed? Hey! Y'all put hands on me when I denied to give you my ID. I did not have to.
That is before your ID more than twice.
Okay, and you said statute is that for me to have to do that?
You don't give me ID, you're going to jail. That is true.
Should I give you my ID?
No, sir.
You're not going to get it either. I don't give a damn. You still ain't getting it.
I don't know what your ID is.
Buddy, do you know how much trouble you're in right now? You put your damn hands on me. Yeah. I already got your name and badge number on recording. And you was the first aggressor. You come at me. You put hands on me because I did not ID you. I don't care what your sergeant says. I know what my United States Constitution says to me. To we all the taxpayers, we the people. We the people.
It's the Tyrant Hunter.
When I'm telling you what to do, you're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that.
Thank you guys for hanging out, man. I love all you guys. Make sure you hit up my store. Get some Tyrant Hunter merchandise. Hit that join button. Y'all have a good one, and always remember to keep those cameras rolling.